Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. I hope fourth open book assessment, which was assigned on Saturday, it was very clear, and every one of you uh, already, I feel you have completed. Then, so in the previous session of our discussion from the chapter Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, we were discussing about February Revolution in Petrograd, different incidents, events, different reason for which the revolution was a movement was taken in Petrograd, and finally, what were the effects made by the particular event. In today's session, let us go for discussing one more such important revolution which was taken in Russia in creating extreme change in the matter of administration. That is October Revolution. 16th October 1917. It's a very important date because Lenin persuaded himself as the Petrograd Soviet and Bolshevik Party to agree socialist seizure of power. So Petrograd Revolution or February Revolution, it made possible efforts for forming unions, associations, and along with that, one such group of people with their own philosophy or idea, that is Bolsheviks, Mensheviks. These Soviets, associations or unions, and the Bolshevik party, they are made must to accept Lenin as socialist seizure of power. A military revolutionary committee was appointed by the Soviet to organize seizure. So, in order to extend their support, favor to Lenin, so these Soviets unions in Russia, they organized, they established, they even formed military revolutionary committee in order to support these political Soviet seizure of power. So uprising was begun on 24th October. Prime Minister of Russia, Kerensky, he left the city to summon troops. He was completely taken into custody. He made to leave the city and he was taken under the custody of these revolutionary committees. Then military men loyal to the government, they got seized. The buildings of two Bolshevik newspapers, they also taken into custody and they are also seized. Pro-government troops were sent to take over telephone and telegraphic office and to protect Winter Palace. So even throughout Russia, telegraphic telephone network, they are seized and protected in order to uh, protect the internal matters which are discussed or which are supposed to implement in Russia. Then, in response to military revolutionary committee, which was ordered to seize government officers and arrest different ministers, the Aurora ship sailed the Winter Palace. Other ships took over strategic points in different places around Russia. Then On the same night, the city had been taken over and minister had surrendered to Lenin. All Russian Congress of Soviets in Petrograd approved the Bolshevik action, which was made under Lenin. Heavy fighting in Moscow by December, uh, the Bolshevik got controlled the Moscow and even Petrograd area. The people involved were Lenin, the Bolshevik troops, that is pro government, that is the committee or the party which was proposed to establish government in Russia. Then, effects of October Revolution. Before discussing October Revolution, let me explain one more time. October Revolution, it is one of the such important event which was taken place in Russia, which witnessed complete drastic change in the matter of administration. So 16th October 1917, Lenin persuaded Petrograd Soviet and Bolshevik party to agree socialist seizure of power. So for that, a military revolutionary committee was appointed, and this committee was ordered to organize the working of seizure of power. Then uprising was begun on 24th October. Prime Minister Kerensky, he was taken into custody and he made to leave the city to summon troops. Military men, those who were loyal to government, they are also seized. The government buildings of two Bolshevik newspapers, they are also seized. Pro-government troops were sent to take over or to look after telephone, telegraphic networks and to protect the Winter Palace. Then the Military Revolutionary Committee and its response in seizing government officers and arrest the ministers, it became successful. The Aurora ship, it was sold to Winter Palace, and other ships, they sailed in other safer places around Russia. And all Russian Congress of Soviet in Petrograd, they approved, they accepted Bolshevik action, which was made in the month of October 1919. Then heavy fighting in Moscow by December, the Bolshevik controlled Moscow, the capital of Russia, and Petrograd area. The people involved in this action, they are Lenin, Bolshevik troops, that is pro-government troops. So, effects of October Revolution will be discussed in tomorrow's session. Let me stop today's session and let me end and let me conclude. Until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, and all.